Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to run accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online. Managing your company's cash flow is crucial for maintaining financial health, and knowing who owes you money is a big part of that. That's where the accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online comes in handy. This report allows you to efficiently track outstanding invoices and payments, helping you ensure a steady cash flow for your business. Let's dive into the process of how you can easily run this report in QuickBooks Online. First things first, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. This panel is essentially your control center, offering access to a multitude of QuickBooks features. Here, you want to locate and click on the Reports tab. This section is your go-to whenever you need to pull up a financial report or want a glimpse into your business's financial status. After clicking on Reports, navigate to the Standard Reports tab. This area is a treasure trove of pre-built reports that QuickBooks offers, each designed to provide insights into various aspects of your business's performance. Using the search bar on this page, type in Accounts Receivable. QuickBooks will begin to work its magic, presenting you with several options tailored to your needs. You will see options such as the Aging Summary and the Aging Detail. Both are incredibly valuable, yet they serve different purposes. The Aging Summary provides a bird's-eye view of your outstanding balances, categorizing them based on how long they have been due. It's a fantastic tool for quickly identifying potential problem areas, like overdue invoices from slow-paying customers. Meanwhile, the Aging Detail report goes deeper. It breaks down each outstanding invoice on a customer-by-customer basis, showing precisely which payments are overdue and by how many days. Once you've decided which report best suits your needs, click on it. QuickBooks will promptly generate the report for you. But that's not all. Now comes the customization part, where you can tailor the report to better fit your analysis needs. You have the flexibility to adjust the report period and select which columns to include. These customizations can be easily managed using the toolbar located above your report. This feature is particularly useful for zeroing in on specific timeframes or focusing on particular data points that are most relevant to your current business analysis. And there you go. You've successfully generated an accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online. This report will now serve as a powerful tool in helping you monitor outstanding payments and streamline your financial processes, ensuring your business continues to thrive. This tutorial helped you understand how to run accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to run accounts receivable report in QuickBooks Online, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.